let me motivate you people. No matter what, you cannot be perfect. But let's just.
That's where the creative guy comes in.
We cannot be perfect, but let's enjoy the process.
Just like
I'm going out to create something amazing that popped to my head. This idea actually came up from this photographer on YouTube. I love him. I'm going to put his Instagram page on the screen. Idea is just having like a black male model sitting in the studio with like a black background and having a light behind him, then have that splash of black and gold on his face. I went to Pinterest to go and check for so many ideas on black and gold on model, and I found some amazing ones that I'm just going to share on the screen. Honestly, there are a lot of ideas on Pinterest. I'm just going to share it on the screen. It's actually like on my phone right now. I don't know if you can see this, but it's on my phone and I find it so amazing. I'm going to try and call the model right now to just text him and ask him how far is everything set. So let's just do that. So basically, I'm going to be showing you how far.
If I don't do it like this, I don't need to come.
This is okay. Is the painter guy ready?
If you accept us in the come.
Okay. I'm doing like a YouTube video. I'll soon be on my way soon. I just want to tell you, like you're on the call like this, you're on the YouTube video, so say something.
Okay, Shawa. I'm shooting with Damola today, the baddest photographer. That made my Instagram account to like go up. Like the first shoot I did with you was very massive. Like a lot of people were just asking, who took this photo?
Yeah, the shoot you did that. What's that place again?
I think
I've forgotten the location.
Like TBS side, Sha.
Yes, on the island.
TBS,
it was crazy. That shoot was crazy, actually.
TBS, I love like the shoot. Sometimes like I'll just put it on DP. Sometimes I'll remove it. Sometimes I'll put it. It's never get off my brain. Like it's allowed my followers to increase. Like how many more? I have like 2K to 3K before, but now it's like more than 3K plus now.
Just for that picture, that's crazy.
I'm telling you.
But
especially there was one video we did that I was riding kids that were interviewing me.
Yeah, I can remember that concept.
That video.
We've done a lot actually, and we're about to like create another one today, which will be amazing. By God grace.
I can't wait.
Yeah, now.
I'm always in the east to work with you. I trust you. I trust your work.
Don't worry.
Even though they say, who is your... Say, bro, you're so good, man.
No worry. Thanks, bro. Don't worry. I'll call you soon. Then I'll be on my way. Then we'll start shooting. Right. Which is basically it. And honestly, I pray this comes out well. Like I have mad faith for this kind of pictures. If it comes out well, I'll be so happy. Trying to like make crown with this carton. So the models are going to wear a crown on his head. That's just the whole idea. Mama, if you're doing black and gold this thing, what color of light do you think should come from the back?
Yellow.
Or should just make it normal white? We have limited paint, to be honest. So because of miscommunication, the guy came with very, very small paints.
Excuse, that is very, very.
Why are you smiling?
I don't know why I'm smiling, but guy, I don't have to smile. If I don't smile, I will cry. Use this sock box. This is kind of too big. It's just going to spread light around his face. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to use a very small, beauty dish. Beauty dish. That's what we're going to use instead of this. Yeah, just coming from up and probably a reflector. That's the lighting setup. You just want to be creative. You're not going to wear that shirt.
Yeah, I'll put it up.
Yeah. So. What's it do?
That's you.
You go touch my body too. You know you do like this to me. See, go far for you point on his face. She gets like I need that splash. I need to go make the picture fine.
Yeah, I'm not doing this thing.
They have to direct. They have to direct a particular part of his body.
Yes. This you see that on the outside. See how
Calm down. Don't say we do like this.
you go dey far. So you go splash from face.
You just count 1, 2, 3.
Yes, with myself.
Put that for continuous shot.
And that's what I want to.
Is it watery enough to?
Now,
That's what I'm saying. Is it watery
It's not
enough?
watery enough.
Is it watery enough to splash?
It's not thick.
You just say you no go need more water.
Let me sit down.
So that it go splash.
Just put water inside.
Let me, it's not certain. Don't be measures as certain. Okay. Go bring
And this one thick. Share water go off.
Go bring water from inside, like small water.
Yeah, wait. Yeah.
Look, open your eye. No go close your
Is
eyes.
this straight or side look?
This side look is
Like
giving
this.
now.
Or like this.
It's okay.
Or like this.
Oh, your shoulder is not looking balanced.
Okay, I like this.
Yes, I like this.
You are good with this guys.
Yes. So are you ready?
Count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, ready, go. That was too late. That was too late. Wait. This is why you go smile.
Guys, I know, after the long family now.
You guys are good together.
This part.
I like this one.
I saw one or two that I like.
Yes.
This one.
Can we go one more again? One more. Ha. But we can clean this thing, abi.
This now for floor.
I got you not touch the wall.
Yes. I better just avoid the wall.
You can't do that now.
So, just tell
You
us.
look at this guy don't want already. You don't back already.
You don't do BTS.
Just stay like that. Just stay like that. This is
Stay. Don't. It's your own serious. Are you sure? Come on, abeg. So now, correction from the last one. We have to like go together.
just please focus on what you are doing. Oh.
Yes, focus on
just
that.
stare at the position.
Yes, 3, go.
Now they go, we go pour
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go.
I think so, okay.
Face. Slap it on
avoid the wall.
Yeah.
Please avoid the wall. 1, 2, ready, go. Whoa, say you can-
Why you pour up?
No, that means I won't pour.
Avoid me. You stay avoid me.
We did bread. No, that's bad.
Yoruba.
Back.
That one is bad.
Okay, sorry.
The king. The king. I didn't get one you I see TikTok music that say
As I put this crown on you, may you have sense.
the king is
Yeah.
back. The king is back. What I am?
That way.
So during this shoot, I realized the colors weren't accurately black and good, and it was quite disappointing. Normally, someone might panic or get frustrated, but I decided to go with the flow and enjoy the process. We then made a cardboard crown, planning to replace it with an AI-generated one later, since we could not find the original. Honestly, that cardboard looked so funny. I tried to solve the situation in Photoshop by adjusting the black and gold colors, but unfortunately, it looked unnatural and didn't work out. You know that feeling when something does not go as planned? It was definitely disappointing. I still love the experience and the final image. This is your sign to go out there and create something beautiful.
Go and subscribe, like, share to your enemies, to your frenemies.